venue was the Mediatek of Pakistan Society for Training and Development (PSTD), where American Business Council, US Pakistan Women's Council, Angro Foundation, PepsiCo, and S&P Global jointly hosted a seminar on corporate best practices for advancing women's economic empowerment. Marian Purnell, Country Coordinator, US Pakistan Women's Council, speaking on the occasion, said,
"The Council seeks to increase women's economic participation in Pakistan and works with its corporate members to make the business case for women's economic inclusion."
General Manager PSTD Amna Dawoodi told that American Business Council presently harbors 66 mostly Fortune 500 companies.
Most of us, I think, already know or are aware of the benefits of having more women at workforce and how much it contributes to the bottom line and so on.
Head of Angro Foundation Amanul Haq, presenting a documentary about a female dump truck driver, Lata Bai, stressed on the need to change the mindset by means of such success stories.
What we've realized is the mindset was extremely backward. So the first time we went to their fathers and we said, look, we're doing this big program and why don't you send your girls to, they said, no way, we're not sending our girls out of this area. And then again we did the community mobilization. We said, okay, well, so what are the things we learned? Number one, transport is critical. Number two, the location where women get trained. Number three, is it a safe environment?
Anam Akram, Senior Manager, Standard & Poor Global, spoke about diversity and strategic priorities.
We want to attract and retain our talent through reverse recruitment, our comprehensive career developments and growth opportunities. So in order to do that, we are taking multiple initiatives. We started doing multiple partnerships with different universities, with different organizations, so that we can develop and we can attract diverse talent.
PepsiCo's Amra Mubashir, who screened a short film stressing on the importance of daycare, flex time, and location-free roles, said,
So as part of talent acceleration programs at PepsiCo, we do have location-free policy. And the location-free means that you can work from anywhere as far as you are within the country where PepsiCo is present. And that's around location-free roles, and we have many people across the globe who are on location-free. This is to allow the people who are not very mobile, but giving them an equal developmental opportunity.
Addressing the ladies and gentlemen in the audience, Acting Consul General of USA, John Warner, stated,
"The U.S. government and the American people are committed to supporting and strengthening Pakistan's economy. That's true every day of every month of every year. It is a simple and undisputed truism. Increasing women's participation in the economy at all levels, top to bottom, grows the economy and increases prosperity for everyone, men and women. Companies that make good use of the diverse talent available are the most innovative and the most successful. And when companies do better, nations do better. But the benefits don't end there. When women are employed and included and empowered, families are stronger, children are better educated, communities are more resilient, and they're less vulnerable to the negative narratives such as extremist ideologies. If it sounds like I'm saying that enhancing women's economic empowerment is sort of like a silver bullet that can cure all of society's ills, that's exactly what I'm saying. And this is what the U.S.-Pakistan Women's Council is all about. Seeking to increase economic participation by women in Pakistan through entrepreneurship, employment, and education. I am tremendously proud that the U.S.-Pakistan Women's Council corporate members, Citi Pakistan, Coca-Cola, Engro, General Electric, PepsiCo, Procter & Gamble, S&P Global, and the Resource Group are so committed to expanding women's economic inclusion.